I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by creating a minimal Flask app because Flask is the only practical lightweight way to connect Python to HTML in one process. Create a venv, pip install Flask, then open app. Py and define a route with app. Route. Once done, call render template with the target HTML file in template/. Make sure your HTML files live in template/ and static assets in static/ so Flask finds them automatically. Next, focus on how Python injects values into HTML. You will use render template and pass variables or lists. Flask uses Jinja2, so you reference var inside the HTML. Once done, add loops and conditionals in the template for dynamic sections. Make sure to sanitize or escape untrusted input automatically via Jinja2. If you need JavaScript to fetch data later, expose a Flask route that returns JSONify. Finally, run the app and verify the full flow from route to template. You will start Flask, open the route in your browser, and confirm data appears via Jinja2. If interactive behavior is required, make an API route and fetch JSON from JS, otherwise render server-side HTML. If something breaks, enable debug mode to see tracebacks, check template and static paths, and inspect the Browser Network tab to confirm responses and status codes, so you can quickly pinpoint the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.